Homework pressure? No more. At Spring Library, we explain every topic in simple way. Join the learning family and score high every day.
Hi, here in this given problem, these are the different legs of the sailboat race course. Starting from the first leg A, that is at an angle of 40 degree above the horizontal 40.0 degree. This is A. Then the second leg B at an angle of 35.0 degree. Then it goes down. The third leg C at an angle 23.0 degree, and finally it reaches back to the starting point. Finishing point is same as that the starting point, leg D, whose angle and magnitude both are missing. D is also missing, theta is also missing. Now the lengths of these legs: A is equal to 3.20 kilometer, B is equal to 5.10 kilometer, and C is equal to 4.80 kilometer, the three legs. Okay, now if we take the components of all these legs, we complete a rectangle over here. If we complete the rectangle, then these components means horizontal component of A, that is AX, horizontal component of D, DX, that should be equal to horizontal component of B, BX, and horizontal component of C means CX. So we can say BX plus CX, that should be equal to DX plus AX. So DX will be given by BX, which is B cos 35 degree, plus CX, which is C cos 23 degree, minus AX, which is A cos 40 degree. Plugging in the known values, this is 5.10 into cos 35 degree plus 4.80 into cos 23 degree minus 3.20 into cos 40 degree, and finally this dx is calculated to be equal to 6.15 kilometer, horizontal component of this d, that is dx. Similarly, we will find its vertical component dy, and for that vertical component of A means AY plus vertical component of B means BY, that should be equal to CY plus DY. So that DY will be given by A sin 40 degree plus B sin 35 degree minus C sin 23 degree. Plugging in the known values again, this is 3.20 sin 40 degree plus B, which is 5.10 sin 35 degree minus C, and C is 4.80 sin 23 degree, and it is calculated to be equal to 3.11 kilometers. So magnitude of the fourth leg D, that will be given by, using Pythagoras theorem, square root of dx square plus dy square, means this is dx, that is 6.15 square plus 3.11 square, and it is calculated to be equal to 6.89 kilometer. Then for its direction, tan theta will be given by dy by dx, means this is 3.11 divided by 6.15, means this is 0.506. So this theta, that comes out to be equal to 26.8 degree. So these two are the answers for this given problem here. Thank you.